Hi friends, welcome to another video. This is going to be me testing out the Maybelline FaceStudio blender sponge. What really caught my eye about it is that it has that, has like a point to it. It has a curve and a point, so I can get up into like here easier. I heard some good things about it, so I want to try it out. I'm sorry about my background. It's not as glamorous as some of the other YouTubers. I am just a mom using what I can, and that's my bathroom, and there's toys and towels and stuff in the background. It's not lovely, but main focus is this, so let's try this out. So it says that I need to get this thoroughly wet and then squeeze out the excess water. So I will do that right now. So before I do that, this is what it looks like outside of the box before I get it all moist and fluffy. So now I'm gonna go do that. Right now it's just a tad bit bigger than it was, just barely bigger, so that's good. Yeah, I wouldn't be able to fit back in here very easily. So now I'm going to test this out. Now, if you guys know me, you know that I like to use the foundation brushes. I have only tried a sponge like once, and it was one I got from Walmart. It was like the Equate brand or something like that. I can't remember. But I think I did a video on it before, and my brother said it looked like it had poop on it. He said it in the comments too. He said, diarrhea, cha-cha-cha. It's an inside joke. I used to make up songs about that when I was a kid. Yeah. Anyways. Alright, so we're going to try this out. I'm going to use what I know that I like, and it's just going to be a Mary Kay Luminous foundation and my Shape Tape concealer. Let's see how this thing does. But first, I'm going to moisturize my face because girls gotta do that. I got eczema going on my face right now. So I'm using the Mary Kay Time Wise Age Fighting Moisturizer Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30. This stuff is great. I am not sponsored by Mary Kay, nor do I sell it. But my cousin used to, and she gave this to me, and it is like, besides the Aveeno face moisturizer, this stuff is my favorite. So it feels great on my skin. I love it. This is what I normally use, which is the It Cosmetics. It's the foundation brush on the side and the concealer brush on this side. I love this thing. This is like my favorite holy grail of makeup brushes for foundation. So I love this thing, but I'm gonna put it down really quick. This is gonna be really hard for me, very challenging. So, all right, what do I do? Like, not exactly sure. So, do I put like right here? All right, so this is the Mary Kay Time Wise Luminous Wear Liquid Foundation. I wear it in the color Beige 1. It's just like 1 or 2 shades darker than my actual skin, but it looks fine, I think. All right, so I'm gonna just, I don't know what I'm doing, you guys. I feel like a child just trying out mommy's makeup. This is actually kind of nice. It's not bad. Now, I was afraid of with a sponge applicator is that it would soak up most of the foundation and it would end up being splotchy on your face or something. I don't know. That's what I was kind of afraid of. But it's actually kind of nice. And normally, with my Shape Tape, I don't even use the brush side of my It Cosmetics brush. I actually use my fingertips. So I'm going to try this right here, the edger, or whatever. See, It's like a shade darker. I don't know if you can tell, but I mean, I think it looks like it matches pretty good. All right. Okie dokie. Now, and that's what it looks like. Now, it's not all pretty and clean. Okay, and now I am going to go in with my Shape Tape from Tarte. I think I use like a shade lighter than I should, but it's fair neutral and it works. It just does. So do that. I don't need a cake on the concealer like a lot of other YouTubers do. I don't get it. I'm 32. I'm not 20. I don't need to be kicking it all on. All right. This is going to be really new for me, you guys, so bear with me. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, so not disappointed. So it does like get all up in the crease, which is nice. I'm gonna get my eyelid too. Not bad. It actually comes on quite nice and smooth. Let's do it a little bit more. Totally wasn't gonna cake it on, but I might just have to do that. So my eyes are like super puffy and dark circles under it this morning. Don't know why. Some mornings it's worse than others, but I always have naturally dark circles, so this is like my favorite concealer. It's worth the money. It doesn't crease like a lot of other concealers I've tried that say they don't crease. This one actually doesn't really crease. It barely ever does. And the crease is not even a big deal. It blends really nice. Holy crap. Yeah, I dig it. All right. Not bad, not bad. It's different. I'm not used to this. Yeah. I like it though. It's actually really soft, and it applies really nice and evenly. I was really afraid I was just going to take it all off as you're putting it on because it's a sponge, but it came on really nice and honestly a little bit more pleasant than when I use the brush sometimes. Sometimes I use the brush, it looks like I have too much on sometimes because when I'm circling and stuff like that, I can get a little bit extra on some spots than others, but this really is a blender. Like they say, it's a beauty blender type thing, and it definitely blends really well. I really like it. I give it 2 thumbs up. Now I'm going to finish my makeup because I'm not going out just like this for the rest of the day. So this is my makeup after it's all been applied. I really do like this blender, you guys. I didn't know if I would really like it because I got so used to using the brush, but I really like this blender. I'm going to use it some more just so I can get more used to it, but I really do like it. I hope you guys like this video, and like always, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!